right, we're going to go ahead and get started with our circle time. Taking a look at our dates in the month. Oh my goodness, we are blowing through March. Today is the 23rd, but let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week it is. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Put your mask on. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Your turn. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday. And today is Tuesday, March 23rd, 2021. Taking a look at our pattern, we go back and forth between a hat and clover. So say it with me, ready? Hat, clover, hat, clover, hat, clover, hat, clover, hat, clover. Good job. Slide that on down there. Let's see, what kind of weather did we predict for today? We said it was going to be rainy. It is not rainy. It was very foggy this morning.
No.
But what kind of weather do we have outside right now?
No.
Not snowing. I didn't get any snow.
Cloudy.
Cloudy and foggy. You're right. It was cloudy and foggy outside. All right. We're going to go ahead and make a prediction for tomorrow. What do we think? Sunny with clouds. That sounds like a good agreeing point. Some of the sun, some clouds, some rain. Partly sunny. There we are, right in the middle. All right, let's say our alphabet together or sing it. Ready? Everybody ready together? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Put on. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, we're counting to 15. Here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, let's count backwards from 5. Let me hear ya. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! All right, looking for some colors, my friends in daycare. What color is sadness?
What color is sadness?
What about my elephants? What color are they? What color are my elephants? Gray. How about Celia Wheelia? What color is she? Daycare friends? Oh, not pink. What color is she?
No.
Purple. My friend's here. What color is the bus? Uh-huh. What color is this triangle? What color is my chocolate? My chocolate? What color? Brown. All right, daycare friends. What shape is pink? what shape is green? Oh. Daycare friends, what shape is black? Rectangle. Awesome, my friends here. What shape is purple? What shape is purple? Hands and lap. What shape is this, my friends? Daycare, can you help us out? What shape is purple? Square. What shape? Let me hear you here. What shape is this? All right, our nursery rhyme this week is Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet. She sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey, which is cottage cheese. Along came a spider, who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Continuing on, our letter this week is the letter I. I says it. What does it say? It. Like it. Isa the iguana. Used to be me, and it is again. That's right. Isa and Incredibles both start with the letter I. That's our letter this week. Let's stand up and think about where we start those letters.
All right, listen, pay attention, Hayden. Stand up.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Lifting up. Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Here we go. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up. Way up. At the top. This is the top. Reach out and touch the top. All the way down. Reach down. All the way down. Way down. At the bottom. Yes, at the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Steady up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Do you start your letters at the top? Or do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. The bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? All right, have a seat. We're going to build the letter I.
Hayden, sit down. Okay, well, pay attention, friends.
The letter I is a center starter, so it starts under the star. Grab our big line and put it under the star. Then we grab our little line and we put it at the top. What did we make? T. Is T our letter this week? No, it is the letter I. So I'm going to grab a little line and put it at the bottom. And I've made the letter I. Here's applesauce, please. All right. So now my turn. Hands in lap. Listening ears are on. Eyes right here. Inside voices are off. We say, my turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. little line across the top, little line across the bottom. One more time. My turn. Your listening ears are on. I should not hear anybody's voice. And I say, big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the bottom. Fingers up, and let's do it together. Here we go, starting at the top. Say it with me. Big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the bottom. Let's try one more time. Fingers at the top. Fingers at the top.
Okay, I want to hear you.
And we say, big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the bottom. What letter did we make? I. What letter did we make? I. And I says, I. What does I say? I. All right, friends.